Hello cloud miners. Now we are going to share how we can redeem our catapult from Ego Cloud Miner app to Cryptokara. We have to go to Cryptokara first. We open it. After opening our Cryptokara app, we go to CPT, which is Catapult EGC20. Select it from others. You see all these are token and coin, but we select CPT. We touch it. After touching this CPT EGC20, it is opened and we can find the address we are looking for. Then we touch it like this, and we touch this flash here in front of the address. The address, we touch the flash, and the address is where displayed ready to be copied. Then we copy it. I'm copying it now, and after copying it, I leave this app and I go to Ego Cloud Miner app. I open it. After opening it, it is open. You see, I touch here this number, and then I touch on the triangle in front of redeem. It is displayed like this. You can watch video steps to withdraw Ego, or you touch redeem now if you know how to redeem. Then for me, I'm touching redeem. I'm touching redeem, and then it is like this. You see, it is displayed when I can paste the address I copied from Cryptokara app. I paste it here, and then after pasting it, I will touch this redeem here. You see, I've already pasted it. Then I touch redeem. Now I am redeeming. You see, it is loading. After loading, I will be finishing my job. You see, it is okay. They say your redeem request is on queue, or redeem requests are only sent on Thursday. This means only on Thursdays on the week you get token sent to your wallet address. It means I will get the token next Thursday. Okay, that's my job done. Here, when you go back to this app, you will find that you have some 30 days in order for you to be allowed again. You see, it is 29 days, 23 hours and something. If you like this video, you can subscribe so that when I release another one, you'll be the first to get it. Thank you.